These are the healthiest pancakes ever. I don't know why you'd make them any other way. Eggs, banana, into the blender. And I'm only buying pasture raised. 2 eggs, 1 banana will get you the best consistency. We're cooking these in butter, don't be afraid of it. Don't try to get fancy and add chocolate chips, we got plenty to spice these up. Toss on a pile of berries and real maple syrup. No sugar-free artificial nonsense. Some egg and banana pancakes, and that's you sorted.